Guys, kain tayo ng cake. Cake ni Aling Isay. With matching coffee. Ang cake ako ah. Sarap talaga ng cake.
Wow.
May niya iingit sa cake ka. Ay! Oh. Ah!